Okay, I'm starting from the back of this house. This is a Dorchester model, which can be configured as 5 bedrooms and 4 baths, or 4 bedrooms, a den, and 4 baths. Beautiful home, all on one level. Huge, huge. This must be over 12 feet. This looks like it's almost 16 feet. Look at this big slider here. Can you imagine that as your view? Absolutely gorgeous. And Disney is that way. Now, I can't guarantee, but I think you'd see the fireworks right over the treetops. Okay, so let's go in the master now. It's the master. And they've really set this master bath up very nicely. Step-in shower and a truly oversized walk-in closet. Yours truly. Again, Park Square Homes always seems to make the most out of their space. Their layouts always have character to them, yet they always use the space wisely. So you have 2 eating areas. You have a casual and formal. Open kitchen. There's another bedroom. Bedroom has a Jack and Jill bath. Nice size. That's a queen size bed, so that's a good size bedroom. There is their den, which they're using as an office.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
Oops, sorry. I'll go this way.
No worries. We're still. Okay, now we got
And now is the bedroom here with attached bath. That is another queen size bed.
Yes.
Nice step-in shower. And I'll just get a little glance of this area here. I love how they've made use of this space. When you walk into a house, you want it to be open looking. And this is really open from the front door. We'll go out to the front. Big double doors. Okay, and community has townhomes and single-family homes. I'll try not to get the front there now because there's people up front. Look at me. Okay, so here's another couple of the other models. All right. Oh, there's a lesson for you. Never take your kids with you when you're looking for a house. They just end up cutting your time down. It's very sad, but you know. Anyway, but sorry, there were kids who were complaining, and you know, the parents need to look. All these beautiful homes where they've done. Now there's these are all 1 stories here, but they do have 2 stories available, and they range in the 400s and 500s. The HOA fees are really reasonable here. They're $90 a month for the whole community. Townhomes are $190. So that's very reasonable. That's a very reasonable amount. I love these when you have the front porches, but they're almost sold out of many of these models. Townhomes are almost all sold out. And think about it, they've got winter garden schools, you know, in the, you know, so it's a great opportunity. Okay, so I want to thank you. Sorry I said that about bringing kids. I always shoot my mouth off. But here we are. Let me show you a little bit about the location. This road, make your first right, your next right, and you're on the way to Disney in 3 miles. Okay, thank you so much for participating, and please watch my other videos, like my Facebook page at Nawrocki Realtor.